Hi, my name is Laksana and I'm going to give you guys practical, straight to the point guide on how you guys can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, meditating, literally anything. But hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life, because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So this is March 16th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 251 of consistently helping people build consistency. Okay, so let me just get straight to the point, okay? One of the most effective way on how to be consistent at doing positive things is to basically just grab a pen and a paper and a tape, okay? And then, we are gonna be consistently tracking for how many days we've been consistently doing this particular thing on this paper, okay? So basically, we are gonna be creating a habit streak. So in this video, I'm gonna be explaining what is a habit streak, how does it work, and also why it's gonna be effective. So basically, a habit streak is something as simple as, yes, again, just tracking for how many days you've been consistently doing your thing. Okay, for example, like 5 minutes of reading a book every single day, or maybe like 5 minutes of running every single day, right? And every single time you actually manage to actually do that thing, you're gonna be marking an X on the paper. Okay, marking an X on the paper. And then, you might just want to stick the paper on your wall so you can see it on a day-to-day basis. And yeah, basically that's simple. But yeah, so the next day you actually also do the 5 minutes of running, 5 minutes of meditating. You're gonna be marking another X. So one day, each day you can mark one X, okay? Only one mark per day. Okay? So basically, it's basically just counting how many days we've been consistently doing that thing. But if one day we just don't do that thing, right? Maybe, without any really reasonable reason, then the streak is gonna reset to zero again. Okay? The habit streak is gonna reset to zero again. Basically, that simple. So, why a habit streak is really effective in helping us to be consistent at doing our positive things. So, basically, it's gonna give us extra motivation to actually still do the thing. Okay? Actually, two extra motivation, which I'm gonna be explaining later. So, when we are trying to be consistent at doing something right, we I can pretty sure say that we wanted something out of that thing. Oh yeah, we do exercise because we want to be healthy. We study because we want to have good grades. We meditate because we want some inner peace. Blah 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 blah. Right. So those are our motivation, right? But some of the days we are not really going to be feeling motivated to actually do those things. Okay. There are going to be days where we are not feeling motivated. But when we are having a habit streak, we are going to be having extra motivation. Two extra motivation. The first motivation is the motivation to increase the numbers, because it feels, joyful to actually see the numbers increase. And then the second motivation is the motivation not to reset to zero again, because resetting to zero, breaking the streak is something that's not really pleasant, okay? So the first reason first, right? Yeah, we want to see the numbers increase each day, right? Because it kind of it kind of remind us of how many days we've been actually progressing, how many days we've been actually consistently doing these things, even on the days when we are not feeling motivated, right? So basically, creating a habit streak will give us the motivation to continue, because we want to see the numbers go higher and higher. But then the second motivation here is that the motivation not to break the streak, okay? Because we do not want to reset to day zero again. Okay, we are gonna develop some sense of attachment to the streak, not wanting to break the streak. So even on the days when we are not really feeling like we want to do that thing, to do the studying, to do the exercising, big chances we are still gonna be doing it. We are still gonna be doing it anyway. Why? Because here's the thing: we are gonna be thinking like, "Hey, you know what? I don't really feel like wanting to study today because it kind of feels suck. I just want to be lazy." But you know what? Guess what's going to be even way more suck than studying? It's gonna be breaking my streak, okay? Breaking my 100 days streak that I've been building from day one, okay? I don't want to lose that streak, okay? Because it's gonna feel comparatively way more suck than studying, okay? But if I think of it, studying kind of, like it's the right thing to do anyway, right? So you know what? I'm just gonna be studying anyway, which is comparatively less suck, and actually the right thing to do. Okay? So yeah, basically that's how you actually be consistent at doing something by keeping a really clear track of how many days you've been consistently doing that particular thing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also join our Discord. Yeah. And also for today's date, authenticity post March 16th, 2025, and Mimzar posted a in the future meme post last 24 hours. Thank you.